Good day, Ma'am, sir. My name is Ami from Philippines. 28 years old. I am a single, but I have a live-in partner. Bless one child, 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate, Bachelor of Hotel and Restaurant Management. My hobbies are cooking and reading, and I am a pet lover. My expertise is a childcare. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve 4 members, a couple with 2 kids, aged 5 and 3 years old. My duties are taking kids, cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry and car washing, and going to market and more. I willing to take care newborn and elderly. I can sing nursery song. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my family needs. To my future employer, Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am honest, hardworking, loyalty, and obedient. I promise to finish my job, and I promise to be a good housemate. I promise to finish my contract and more. Thank you, Ma'am, sir. I'm looking forward to work you as soon as possible.